Thank you so much. And now let's hear from Jojo Mabanes, the pageantry platform.
Hello po. Congratulations and mabuhay. My first question is for our Honest Glow executives. Focusing on the collaboration between our Queen, Miss Grand International 2025, Emma Tiglao and Honest Glow. If you will describe this partnership in one word, what would it be and why?
If I have to describe it, ano ba yan? Pero I have one in mind, kilig. Kasi every time nakikita namin sa Emma, di ba, nakakakilig na parang very friendly, tapos parang hindi na uubusan ng energy. Di ba, laging, wow, dapat pag nasa labas pala tayo, dapat Emma, posturang Emma tayo. Na oo, Emma energy, Emma Sona talaga. So, every time nakikita namin siya, kinikilig talaga kami. And, yun. I think that's one word talaga na pwede kong i-describe yung partnership ni Honest Glow with Emma. It's so kilig.
It's so kilig. Thank you, sir. For our queen, hello, Emma. As a beauty queen and a role model, how important is honesty and authenticity in your beauty and skincare routine?
Honesty and authenticity is what makes you unique, what makes you different to other people. So it's really important to show who you really are. And I think that really, parang ginamit ko yon through my grand journey, kaya naman nakuha natin yung back-to-back victory. Doon pa lang, being authentically you, being fearlessly authentic you, makukuha mo kung anong gusto mo. Kasi no need to pretend, no need to fake it. Some people say kapag sa pageant ka or any other industry, fake it till you make it, diba? But for me, no need to fake it. You just need to fake it till you make it.
Follow-up question ako dyan. How do you plan to connect with Honest Glow's community and loyal customers?
How do I plan? One thing is, well, alam naman natin, di ba, selling Honest Glow products is through online. So, dun ko plano makipag-connect muna with our market sa online. Kotaka as in Thailand. Pero dito, bili na kayo, mga mi!